Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you've seen the previous, you will see that we have been on a bit of a shopping spree with the Cricut range. Today we are unboxing the Easy Press 2.
So we got this from Hobbycraft.
This was £170. There is different sizes depending on what you're wanting to use it for. Ours is going to be mainly for cushion covers and t-shirts. So we went for, they only had this size in, I believe, but this was the size that we looked at
And wanted, fully enough.
I'm not sure if this one comes in any other colours, but there's, I think they call it raspberry red. Have a look. Yeah. Iron on success in 60 seconds or less. Looks very nice.
It does.
Does it say what colour it is?
Well, I can see, but I believe on the other one, on one of the booklets, there was a different colour. Yes, that was the number one, and that they've just used the same image. Let's do this.
Oh, I like the little Cricut.
Oh wow, it comes in a bag.
Oh, I love a bag. Right, I'm going to open this little.
Oh, that's smart.
This little envelope here. It's got, oh, don't be using my codes.
I can blur that out. Hold on, because I've seen something that I kind of want.
You've seen something you want? So register your product. Oh, it's a sticker. It's a sticker. I love a sticker.
It's a Cricut sticker.
Sticker. I love a sticker.
It's a Cricut sticker. Da, 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 da.
So we've got a quick start guide. Just to help us. We've got a warranty. And then obviously your manual. So they all come in that little handy card.
Oh no! It's kind of like 2 on 1, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
There we go. That's everything.
Right, so there's everything out of the box.
It's because I tried to pick both things up at once. That's where I made the
We'll
mistake.
get rid of that. This is your base. Well, this is just like a flat iron, like a.
Yeah.
So that's the base.
Kind of reminds me of like a sieve.
Yeah. Return device to base. It does look like a sieve, doesn't it?
I like this bag.
Oh no, what can we use that for? Oh.
Transporting our Cricut around. So the wire's already attached, and obviously you don't need to plug it into your computer like you did the Explore Air.
Yeah. You can change the heat settings, you can do a timer. Oh, that looks really cute. Oh, I'm so excited.
And it's the perfect thing to go with the Explore Air because we're going to cut out vinyls to then stick on.
Also, if you're going to be getting this, you're going to want the mat. The mat, you can get these in different sizes depending on what size heat press you get. And
well, we're going to use it next. We're going to set it all up and use it. So that'll be the next video you guys see. So yeah. If you like this video, click the like button and we'll see you next time.